Hold on, Aaron. 2 6. 2 6. 1 2 3.
Pui pe cap și tragi în jos. Oprești, cu așa, cu mâna, o pui pe cap.
You alright? La 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 la. My name is Aaron.
Good morning everyone. Today we are in Barnet. We do gutter cleaning, render cleaning. We done a long time ago, I think so 1-2 years ago. We done a gutter cleaning in same place. We done a brick cleaning. Our company we do a bin cleaning, commercial bin cleaning. Today I will be in the cherry picker to do the gutters, and my colleague Aaron will be on this truck to do the soft washing. Stay here and watch our transformation.
Run this all the way round to the other side, yeah? Follow that one round, yeah? Okay. Cheers, mate. And then after we get the generator set up, yeah? Sweet, dude. Hello, my man.
Aaron, how are you doing, champion?
Yeah, good, mate. You?
Yeah, good, good. So, Doomy said you're on the soft washing, cleaning the render today.
Yeah.
Do you want to just take us through a little sort of walk and talk through
yeah,
about what areas you're
come
going to
with me.
Yeah.
We'll have a little look. So we are soft washing this render up here, all along these buildings. You see all that dirt, black, mould. We're going to be cleaning all this all the way along. All this stonework as well. This will all be spruced up, all nice. We're going to use a 2-in-2 solution, 2 hypo, 2 green wash. The chemical reaction, we're going to give it a quick soft wash over, give it a good old treat, let it dwell 10-15 minutes, give it a rinse off.
And for today specifically, what kind of
we're going to be using this green wash in here, the chemical, and we're going to be mixing it with the bleach, the hypo. We're going to do a 2-in-2 solution, so that should eat into the bacteria, the dirt, the grime on the render, and then we'll let it dwell, like I say, for 10-15 minutes. Give it a rinse and it should be sprucey, mate. So come down here, my man. So we've got a bleach saddle and a soap saddle. So we'll be turning that onto a two soap saddle and a 2 bleach saddle. So what that do, that both feed 2 into the pipe, and from here it'll run all the way into this treatment hose, which is here, which we'll be treating the render with. So the chemical reaction together makes it 10 times stronger. And then it would just eat into that dirt, grime, and spruce up this render we're cleaning today. Here's my man Lorenzo again. So we're going to work all the way around here, all up here, all the way along. That's our plan for today, and just hope it goes well.
We've had to tag in, tag out with a cherry pick, is that right? So Doomy's just finished the gutters around the back.
That's correct, mate, yeah.
So just give us an update, mate. What you got? What's the plan of attack now? You're going to be...
My plan, I'm going to go up here. You see the stonework around the edges, up here below the windows, the window sills. I'm just going to give that a quick steam up, give that a steam. I'm going to do it all the way along. Once I'm down, I'm going to go back up with the soft wash system and give it a good treat, give the render a good treat, and then go from there, mate. To be fair, it's a little bit windy, so we're going to leave the soft washing until that calms down and get rid of that muck on the stonework up there.
So we're just going to be working on this block for now. Bit of stonework,
Yeah, bit of steaming, bit of
and
stone work.
then we'll move on to the soft wash. So, all right, so you're going to head up on a cherry picker?
Yeah, I'm going to head up there now, mate. Get sorted.
Nice, okay.
You coming up?
Do you know what? I'm going to play it so I'm going to get the drone this time.
Yeah. You play it
And
safe.
work from ground level.
Safer down on the ground level.
Exactly, yeah. As Doomy was saying earlier on, LBC came here and cleaned all the gutters a couple of years back, but also there's all these communal bin stores here. There's one here, there's one up there, there's a couple for every block, and LBC, it's part of their regular bin cleaning round. So as you can see here, there's the green domestic bins, the larger commercial bins. So LBC will come here on a regular basis and clean up these areas and the bins and the bin stores. So see here the LBC stickers, and they date it from the last time they came, so the 22nd of the 9th there. So they came at the end of last month. Again here, 22nd of the 9th. So these are all nicely cleaned up, as well as these bins here. You can see the LBC sticker. It's a very, very large private block of flats, very well maintained, which LBC are a big part of that. LBC are a big part of keeping this place looking fabulous. Gutter cleaning, bin store cleaning, bin cleaning, and now the team doing the render cleaning of this large private block of flats. So Aaron, you've done steam cleaning of the stone. What now? What now, brother?
We've done the stone clean. We're just going to go up there and soft wash the rest of the render just to finish this block off, and hopefully it comes up good.
Lovely.
giving it a little scrub just to agitate it a little bit because it's quite deep inside the render. Give it a little agitate, then give it a good dwell for 15-20 minutes, then it should come up beautiful.
Happy with the result?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. It's worked a treat, mate, to be fair. The results come out all right, so I'm happy with that. If we can make the whole complex look like that, we're in for a good one.
And you can kind of see from that wall to the other ones that it is a lot cleaner, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely, mate. Like you can see, if you can just capture up the top right, left-hand side up there.
Yeah.
See all that? That's what this was like here. So it has improved it massively. Thanks for watching this episode. Gutter cleaning and render cleaning. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Let's go, Chief.